Hi guys, it's Beth here from the Country Ladies Closet. This week I wanted to look at small scarves and how to tie them. This week I'm going to be using a Richard Allen floral scarf, which is a 19.5 by 19.5 inch. One of the key things you'll learn when folding a scarf is a basic fold. So take two corners of your scarf when laid out flat and pop them into the middle. Fold in again from each side, and depending on the size of the scarf, fold again, and into the middle. And there you'll have the longest form of your scarf, which can be tied into so many different ways. Once you've got your basic fold, the opportunities become endless. I'll show you first off one of my favourite ones. Pull one side slightly longer than the other, fold over the top, not underneath, and up and under, feeding through, tightening at the side, and you get a gorgeous side scarf. An interesting variation of the side tie is to bring it to the front and puff it out. So same again as last time, over the top and underneath and through. Now if we turn it to the front and pull the scarf outwards, we create this lovely front tie, like so. This front tie is ideal when you're wearing a shirt, like so. Your simple front tie sits perfectly in the shirt and just looks really pretty. So continuing on again, same stages as before, over the top, underneath, we get to here. Now just a little variation on this, if we take our ends and tie them again, like so, and pull through, we get a gorgeous little front knot. Now I bring this to the front like so, pull out the centre just to the shape I like, and there we have it. Something a little bit different, something a little bit summery, I would say, is the sort of vibe. Seeing as we're sort of almost coming into spring, it's probably perfect. Take it round the front of your neck and you create a lovely little choker. Now it's up to you really, you can tie it at the back and have it loose. However, I don't really like to have it at the back. I prefer to bring it across like so, round to the front, and have a little tie in the front. And there we have a lovely little summer choker. Almost the same, but perhaps a little smarter. We take our basic tie again, cross it over in front, and create a little knot, like so. So you should end up with that. Place that around your neck, wherever you'd like, and have a small tie at the back to create a variation on the choker, which I think is really smart and would be lovely for a summer wedding. I just tweak around with the knot until I'm happy, and there we have it. Thanks so much for watching this episode this week, and I hope you found some of the tips helpful. Don't forget, I've got my competition still running until the 25th of February to win a £20 voucher from my website www.thecountryLadiesCloset.com. Next week I'm going to be looking at large scarves and the different ways you can tie them, so I'll see you then.